Well, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hidayah Makwira. I will review this book. The title is English, author by Baktiar Bima, Yuniarti Dwi Arini, and Prasetya Adi Wardana. Year of publication 2000 and 2007. Oke, kita langsung saja. The morphology of English textbook, which have two basic elements, namely of the skin of the book, and the content of the book. The English book kelas 3 SMP ini does not contain standard comprehension, basic comprehension, and indicators. This book does not have a vocabulary list in every unit. Although the practice questions are very numerous in each unit, but the explanation of the material from each unit is very less, sangat kurang sekali. Whereas the initial material is very important because of how students can work on problems if they do not really understand what is being discussed in that unit. In this book, it is very unattractive because the colors that are still using black and white, like this. You can see black and white, especially now that we are using the curriculum 13. Curriculum must be more colorful in order to attract students to learn, because curriculum 13 student must play an active role. Okay, from the results that I observe, it can be seen that from 10 units in kelas 3 buku bahasa Inggris ini, there is even one unit that lists the basic comprehension and indicators in each unit. Based on the result, it can be concluded that the suitability of the content. And then with the curriculum pada buku bahasa Inggris kelas 3 SMP ini, necessary improve in terms of inclusion of basic comprehension and indicators to determine the suitability of the content of the textbook with aspect language skill, namely by analyzing learning activities on aspect existing language skill. The less reading skill are present in each unit in the English textbook. As many as 5 units that contain reading skill or 50% of number of units. As for the skill of listening, speaking, and writing, there are in all units is 10 units or equal to 100% of the amount existing units. In practice, it is not possible. Respectively, learning of language skill is done separately. To determine the suitable of the contents of the textbook with aspect language, that is by analyzing learning activities on aspect of language in the textbook. In analyzing linguistic aspects are divided into 4, namely pronunciation, vocabulary, sentence, and development ideas. Therefore, aspect should be present in every aspect. Language skill. To get data on media used in textbooks, namely by analyzing the media used in learning. The use of media is analyzed based on the media used on aspect of language. Media used in language textbook is English, namely flashcard, realia, mortar sentence, mortar word, dialogue, story, picture, series, drawings, games, songs, mapping, collection of words, image, and workbox. Based on the result of the review can be known. You say the highest medium was found in the aspect of pronunciation, sentence and idea development, in listening skills, and aspect linguistic, sentence in speaking skills that is equal to 100% or as many as 10 units. Use media on the language aspect. The use of media pada buku bahasa Inggris kelas 3 ini already quite complete, but there are still some aspect of language that need to be complete with media. So, based on the result of the review, it can be conclude that the textbook middle school class junior high school kelas 3 bahasa Inggris ini, there are some parts of textbooks that are not in accordance with morphology textbooks. Second, conformity of contents with basic competential and indicators not seen with clear, because this English textbook does not list basic comprehension and indicators in each unit. As well as development curriculum for teaching material should be developed according to the characteristic and potential of the region or every educational unit. Educational unit. Yang ketiga, the suitability of the content with aspect of language skill is said to be complete, because every language skill is in all units except skill read only in 5 units. Nah, yang keempat itu the suitability of the content with aspect of language is said to be quite complete, because there are 4 aspects of language skill, namely pronunciation, vocabulary, sentence, and developing ideas on every language skill and every unit, except the linguistic aspect of reading skill is incomplete. Dan yang terakhir, the last, media used in English textbook kelas 3 SMP ini, it is quite complete. However, there are still several aspects the language that needs to be equipped with the media. I think enough. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.